Here now at Nature's Healing Home in Bacsil, La Union. Hello, Daddy. May konting trek papunta dun sa lodging area sa yoga studio. It's been 5 years the first time we went here in Nature's Healing Home, and we're happy to be back. At syempre, with the owner, yoga instructor. Hello, Prezi! Alam mo, it feels
5
like...
years.
Oh,
But you haven't changed.
I haven't changed you too. Parang ito pa rin. Pero I learned yoga now.
Yes.
We learned yoga now. There's Jan. And we're having guyanana. Guyanana is guyabano and banana according to Jan. No sugar at all.
It's all organic.
All organic. Dito yan sa farm ni Presi. Kaya guys, I'm telling you, you have to be here if you wanna commune with nature, eat good food, organic, and meet Presi for some yoga and meditation. This is the place to be. Tama ba, Dad?
Yeah.
Ayan si Jan, mahirap yan i-please. Pero nung pagpunta namin dito, sabi niya, "Be, balikan natin ang Nature's Healing Home." So, we're here! Ang happy naming dalawa. Happy! At ang mga doggy, syempre si Jan, alam mo naman yan. Ayan. Kaya dito muna kami ha, maguguyanana muna kami.
I teach Dan yoga.
Dan yoga.
Dan yoga is a Korean type of yoga. It's actually martial art in traditional yoga. But I also teach Kundalini. When I met you, I haven't learned Kundalini yet, but and then I also teach Hatha.
Hatha.
So, in order for us to really feel our own energy, everything is about 100% presence. So when we are 100% within ourselves, without the distraction of the mind, we feel so much of our energy. So here, let's try to shake our fingers. While we're inhaling, exhaling, and while you're doing this, releasing all the stress from head, neck, shoulder, in your arms, release it to all your fingers so you can really have this free feeling. As you are doing this, you can actually feel your fingers getting heavier and heavier, as giving it like, in the finger you feel it, they have freedom, and they really have freedom in it. So now let's clap our hands 30 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Now here, rubbing your hands, bringing that cosmic healing energy in your palm, feeling the heat in your fingers. After moving your body and your energy, you should really able to feel. Now close your eyes here, then just pay attention to my instructions and keep this hand like in front of your heart chakra center. And then slowly stop rubbing your hands here, and then slowly bring your hands apart, maybe 2 inches apart. And then here, you can feel the space. You can feel the warmth. You can feel the tingling sensation in between your palm, your palm, your palm. Inhale and exhale. Allowing that heat, allowing that magnet to connect with each other. You can try to play with that energy, bringing hands apart a little bit and then closer to each other. In this hand is your energy ball in front of you. So it's up to you if you want to make it bigger and smaller. And the more you focus, the more you feel that energy field of yours. This is the energy was given to you ever since you're born. And it's always here protecting you and guiding you. It's your best friend, really. No matter what, it's always going to be with you And it's really up to you to connect with that energy. You want to make it stronger, powerful. It's your choice. The more you focus, the more you connect, and the more you feel. Now, try to play with that energy, make it bigger. And don't worry, it may feel like it's not there, but it's always going to be there. You can make this energy bigger than your surroundings, than your body, bigger than this tree. It doesn't matter how big you want it to be, even as big as if you can reach the sky. Feel the magnetism, the opposites, the end and beginning, the dark and light. It's all here. With your breath, always connect with your breath, the gift of life. Inhale and exhale. Now bring it really closer again. And sometimes you don't really have to. You can feel each other's magnet, bringing each other together. I know it will take time to practice on this one. What I'm trying to show you is something that is there is such thing as energy body, that if you want to connect, you can. And it's always present, and it's up to you to focus and make it powerful as you want it to be. Now here, with that accumulated energy in your palm, you bring it in your heart chakra, left on first in the top of your heart, and then right of the on top of your heart center. It's the center of the chest. Now inhale and exhale. Feel the warmth in your palm, that healing hands. Feel your heartbeat. Feel that warm body. And then here, with your left hand, bringing it to your right shoulder, the right hand on the left shoulder here, giving yourself a big, big loving embrace. Gratitude for the self-love, gratitude for the self-care, gratitude for this time, togetherness, and gratitude for everything that you have, the abundance, the ambience, the fresh air, nature. Gratitude for Mother Earth. And from here, slowly bringing your hands together, palms together here in front of your heart chakra. Then here, inhale deeply. Hold your breath for a few seconds here. Then slowly exhale as you relax your head, your neck, your shoulder, your whole body down to your feet. Then again, inhale. Hold it for a few seconds. Then slowly breathe out as you relax your body slowly from head to toes. One last one. Big breath here. Hold it. Then slowly breathe it out. releasing all the stress, the blockages from the head, the neck, shoulder, chest, all the organs, to your hips, to your knees, and down to your feet. Then from here, we're gonna end our short session. Panggap Samida.
Ganda ng sunset.
Kaya nga sabi ko, I need to come here. I need to have my house here so I can see this. And
You have this. These are the moments when you don't have time.
time is a choice.
Exactly, but they don't have time. They don't have time.
We just finished a short but sweet yoga session with syempre si Pressy here, and she's gonna invite you for her healing yoga retreat here in Nature's Healing Home.
Hello, everybody. We are doing a retreat here every month. Usually, you can choose the dates. So we have 2 nights or 3 nights retreat. We have overnight, but I don't usually recommend the overnight because you cannot really maximize your retreat that way. So best is to really do the 3 nights. So during that retreat, we have the healing, we have the meditation, yoga and meditation, organic delicious food, hiking, relaxing facial, a trip to the beach. So that's what we do during our retreat, in life coaching as well. So please come and visit Nature's Healing Home.
Yes, they're in Facebook, by the way. You can see the schedules in Facebook. We're so happy. Thank you so much,
you
Pressy.
for visiting.
Grabe, after 5 years.
5 years.
Ngayon lang tayo ulit nagkita.
Yes.
And we are so happy. Kaya for more of anything happy with Pressy here at ang Nature's Healing Home, please do visit our blog at www.
Vacationsofjoy.com.
See you there, guys. See you there, Press.
See you there.
See you there.